In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create a folder in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to make a new folder in Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. All right, let's get started. First of all, open Google Docs on your computer or mobile device. Once it's open, create a new document by clicking on the plus icon, or you can open an existing one if you already have it. Now, rename your document and give it a proper title. You can also type something in the document if you like. Next, from the top of the screen, click on the Move Folder icon. If you're using the mobile app, tap the three dots at the top of the screen and then select Move from the menu. Once you do that, a pop-up screen will appear. From here, click on All Locations and then open My Drive. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon to create a new folder. Go ahead and click on it. Now, set a name for your new folder, then click the Create button. Finally, tap on Move to add your Google Docs file to this new folder. Keep in mind, this folder is created inside your Google Drive, so to view it, simply open Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Once you're in Google Drive, open your newly created folder. Here's your Google Docs file. You can view it from here. You can also create new Google Docs directly from here. This way, the documents file will automatically be saved in this folder. And there you have it. Your Google document is now inside the new folder. You can open and edit it anytime, either from Google Drive or directly from Google Docs. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.